To open YouTube on a Chrome browser, here I'm using iPhone, but if you are using Android, do the same thing. Okay, the first step is to get to your App Store. Once the App Store opens, tap here and search for Chrome. So you need to install Chrome browser first on your iPhone. Okay, then I'll search Chrome. Then look at Chrome here. It's already installed, so I'll tap on update for it to open, for it to be updated. Alright, here the Chrome is done updating, so I'll tap on open. So once your Chrome browser opens, you'll find yourself on an interface that looks like this. The interest is on visiting YouTube, so tap here and type youtube.com. Alright, then after that, tap on enter key. The YouTube platform will open, so showing you some videos. You can search for any video you want to search. If you are using Android, you may be prompted whether you want to continue on a web browser. Agree with that you want to continue on a web browser without using an application, YouTube app. Okay, if maybe you visit this youtube.com and it automatically opens on your YouTube app, what you need to do is to get to the home and uninstall that YouTube app. Once you uninstall it and get to your web browser, Chrome web browser, you'll be able to open the YouTube, all right, on your web.